Yep. Alright, so done with this. This looks nice. Yada yada yada. I'm next going to clear coat my front fenders and let them bake overnight. I've got my little space heaters up there, and boy, is this this garage kind of sweaty. I'm in shorts. Yeah, shorts and awesome socks and sandals and short sleeves, and I'm kind of sweltering in here. So, what do we got here? 72, 73 degrees. Yeah. So prime conditions to clear coat. I'll be done here in just a few minutes. I've got to tack cloth this, get all the dust off. I've already washed them down. All of my my paint repairs are looking pretty gosh darn good, and I need to mix up a couple batches of clear, and off I go. Yep, pretty happy. I am done. I've got 3 coats on this one because it needed it. I had some speckledies, poor coverage, and 2 good coats on that one. So I got the garage door up to let some of the fumes out. Not bad at all. Can't complain. Yeah. So I'll let this warm up. Stay warm overnight. I'll keep my space heaters going there. I'll let this warm up, stay warm overnight. I'll transfer this to my basement tomorrow after work and get into the next pieces. I'm likely to finish that thing off. I haven't sanded it yet. I don't know, who knows. Yeah.